This video is about sentence fragments. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer the following questions. What is a sentence fragment? What are the three types of sentence fragments? And how do you fix a sentence fragment? Let's begin by defining sentence fragment. We already know that a sentence is a collection of words that form a complete thought. A sentence contains a subject and a predicate. If we think about where else we've heard the word fragment before, we can figure out that a fragment is a piece of something. It's incomplete. So if we combine our known definitions of sentence and fragment, we get that a sentence fragment is an incomplete sentence. There are three types of sentence fragments. Some sentence fragments are missing a subject. An example of that would be this: I love to watch movies, scary ones too. The second sentence in that pair, scary ones too, doesn't have a subject. It doesn't tell us who likes to watch scary movies. A second type of sentence fragment is one that doesn't have a predicate. Let's look at these two sentences. Who wants ice cream? Me. The second sentence there, me, tells us who, but it doesn't tell us what that person is doing or wants. And the third type of sentence fragment is one that has a subject and a predicate, but doesn't have a complete thought. Those girls who are best friends. Here's an example of a sentence that does not have a complete thought. We have the subject, those girls, and we have the predicate, what about those girls, our best friends, but it's not a complete thought because of the word who. When written this way, those girls who are best friends is no longer a complete sentence because it's not telling us what those girls who are best friends are doing. So now that we can identify sentence fragments, let's look at how to fix them. It's really easy. All you have to do is add what's missing. You can either add a word or a phrase to the sentence fragment, or you can connect the fragment to another sentence. So let's go back to our example sentence fragments and fix them. First, we had the example fragment that was missing a subject. I love to watch movies, scary ones too. To fix this, I'm going to combine the sentence fragment to the previous sentence, and I end up with, I love to watch movies, even scary ones. Now I have a complete sentence. Then we had our example of a fragment that didn't have a predicate. Who wants ice cream? Me. To fix this, I'm just going to add the missing predicate to the second sentence. And then I end up with this. Who wants ice cream? I want ice cream. Our third example was a sentence fragment that did not have a complete thought. Those girls who are best friends. To fix this, I'm going to add what it is about those girls who are best friends that the writer meant to tell us. Those girls who are best friends do everything together. And now I have a complete sentence. So, fragments are pretty easy to deal with once you can identify them. Remember, every sentence needs a subject, a predicate, and a complete thought. So if you come across a sentence that doesn't have one or more of those parts, that means it's a fragment. And to fix it, just add what's missing.